All right, well, welcome back. It is 6:24 this morning. A live look out at the airport this morning. That airport cam. Yeah, back to work, back to school for a lot of kids who just finished up their holiday break. Maybe you're coming back or have family members coming back into town from a vacation, or maybe you're trying to think about starting another one. Well, if you are planning a trip that includes a rental car, finding the right size of car is easy, but beyond that, the rental car process can get a little bit trickier, especially when it comes to insurance. What about the add-ons? Should you buy the added coverage, or are you already covered with your own policy? CBS 2's Natalie Hurst reveals some money-saving tips on rental car insurance. Come on, girl, let's go.
When Andrea Ferraro travels on vacation or for business, she frequently rents cars. But she's often confused about whether to add the rental company's insurance to the credit card and personal coverage she already has.
It's hard to know if you're fully covered and if you have the right coverage.
Consumer Report says before you rent a car, check for coverage under your personal auto insurance and also through the credit card you'll use. Credit cards can change their terms. For instance, Discover recently stopped offering rental car insurance altogether. American Express, Chase, and Citibank still do offer it, but check their terms and limits. If a credit card is your primary coverage, there could be a benefit to using it.
Should there be a claim, the credit card insurance could be in line to cover it, and your own auto insurance rates may not change.
Remember that to be covered through your credit card, you need to pay for the entire rental with that card and decline the rental agency's coverage.
However, if you are going to depend on your own auto insurance policy, remember the rental will be covered under the same terms as your own car, so check those terms carefully.
For instance, if your personal policy doesn't have collision coverage, you should consider adding the rental car companies, but that can run as much as $30 a day. Liability can run $10 to $15 per day. In the end, Andrea says peace of mind is worth doing the research and paying for additional coverage if it's needed just to be safe. Natalie Hurst, CBS 2 News.
Well, if you're traveling outside of the U.S., it is very possible that your personal insurance won't cover a rental car. In that case, your best option might be to get the rental company's insurance. Read the terms, though, carefully and make sure that it will cover your anticipated itinerary and activities.